Hi friends, it is my privilege to announce that we would be organizing the Conceptual Orthopedics postgraduate course which will be held in Delhi from November 12th to 14th, 2021. With the feedback that we received from the students, there was a palpable need to conduct such a teaching course where the students can watch and also perform the clinical examinations of various clinical cases, which otherwise they would be facing directly in their exams. That the students can also interact live with the various galaxy of faculty at Conceptual Orthopedics and they can clear all their doubts would be an additional bonus. But how is this course different? Yes, there are various PD teaching courses across our country, but in this course, what we have also added is covering the trauma topic on day 1 of the course. I am sure you would all agree that there is a huge gap between the theoretical knowledge and the practical aspects of how to deal with trauma patients. We can all read the theory from various sources, but we do not know how to do it and most importantly, why to do it. So, we would discuss these practical aspects to bridge this very gap, and all aspects of various principles in the management would be covered with special emphasis on demonstration of the key surgical techniques and procedures through which you can learn, and also you will be hand guided through these video procedures. There would also be a special session on the case discussions of real life scenarios, which would make you understand what should be done and how it has to be done when you would deal with these sort of patients at some time, definitely during your course of being an orthopedic surgeon. So come and be a part of this, and I am sure that these 3 days would make a better you. See you in Delhi on November 12th to 14th.